Best deals.
1. Peeler. Features a sharp, durable, non-corrosive and anti-rust stainless steel blade, ensuring efficient and precise peeling of vegetables, minimizing the effort required to remove the skin from vegetables. The peeler comes with an ergonomically designed long handle with grooves that provides a strong and comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. The peeler includes a transparent container that collects and stores vegetable skins while peeling, keeping the kitchen counter clean and allowing for easy disposal. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Cloth drying rack. The hook-on drying rack can be hung on any surface of thickness and allows indoor and outdoor use. It is made up of ABS plastic and stainless steel and is rust-proof. Foldable design for easy storage and space saving. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Glass jars. See-through window makes it easy to check contents at a glance. PVC lid locks in freshness, while anti-slip base keeps the jar stable on any surface. Made from high-quality glass with a durable, lead-free metal casing that's chip-resistant and food-safe. Perfect for storing spices, snacks, or sweets, fits easily in pantries, shelves, or party setups. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Clothes drying rack. Built with 16 solid beech wood poles, this tripod drying rack provides excellent strength for drying shirts, pants, towels, kids' clothes, and delicates without bending or sagging. The collapsible flow-standing tripod base opens and closes in seconds, making it perfect for small spaces, apartments, balconies, laundry rooms, and even travel. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Soap dish. With slanting design for easy water draining through its channel, allows soap getting rinse all water after the use. Powerful vacuum suction provided at bottom for proper sticking to the surface. Made up of high-quality plastic and long-time durability. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Seasoning jars. Sealed and moisture-proof designed to keep your salt, monosodium glutamate, pepper and other seasonings fresh for longer. 5 compartments with independent opening lids for easy access to different seasonings. The storage jar's lids with all-round sealing loop creates an airtight and moisture-proof environment to keep your food fresh. The container's lids can seal the container firmly and protect your food. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Crusher. Crafted from 304 food-grade stainless steel to give you the perfect weight to crush pills or kitchen herbs and spices at ease while avoiding rusting and deterioration. The mortar and pestle both feature similar curvatures so that there is good contact between the two pieces, making it the optimal surface for crushing or grinding any kitchen herbs and spices. Pretty sturdy, durable, non-toxic, long lifespan, can be used for decades. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Liquid dispenser. Keep your sink accessories tidy, making it a must-have among new house essentials, while the kitchen sink caddy adds extra convenience. Dispenser doubles as a stylish kitchen dispenser, blending functionality with decor items for kitchen and enhancing your space with beautiful kitchen aesthetic items. Sink combine functionality with style. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Gas burner stand. It is a standard size product that fits on most of the gas burners, comfortably fits on most gas hob stove burner supporters. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Scrub brush. Multi-surface brush tackles dirt and stains on tiles, hardwood floors, patios, and concrete, perfect for both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. Heavy-duty telescopic pole extends from 115 cm to 142 cm and withstands up to 100 kg pressure for powerful scrubbing. 30 cm wide brush. Head with durable stiff bristles covers large areas quickly and effectively removes stubborn dirt and grime. Built-in squeegee edge efficiently removes excess water and soap, leaving surfaces dry and streak-free in one motion. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Scrubber pads. Features a tough silver scrubbing side for stubborn grime and a soft mesh layer for gentle cleaning, perfect for dishes, pans, and glassware. Quick dry material prevents moisture buildup, helping keep your kitchen fresh and hygienic without smelly sponges. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Organizer. Crafted from sturdy material, this transparent pouch is waterproof, dust-proof, and resistant to scratches, offering reliable protection for your items during travel or daily use. Perfect for cosmetics, toiletries, shaving kit, electronic devices, perfume, sunglasses, lipstick, facial cleanser, shampoo, lotion, medicine, stationery and other small items of your choice. Keep your essentials organized with separate compartments, an airtight section for dry items and a breathable mesh compartment for wet clothes or towels. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Floor Cleaning Mop. Enjoy on-the-go cleaning with its built-in spray system, 360 degrees swivel mop head, and ultra-absorbent microfiber pads. Just spray and glide, cleaning has never been this smooth. No bucket needed, refill the cartridge with water or cleaning solution for instant use. Easily cleans under furniture like sofas, tables. The rectangular design is perfect for reaching hard to clean spots like wall edges and corners. The 36 cm wide mop head and flat design covers more area in a single wipe, clean more in less time. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Stool. Easily stackable to save valuable floor space. Perfect for small living areas, this feature allows you to store multiple stools without clutter. Made from high-quality polypropylene, these stools are built to withstand daily use. They resist deformation, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. Versatile for various settings like living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, offices, and outdoors. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Milk Boiler. Crafted from high-quality, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting durability, easy cleaning, and a rust-free experience for years. Features advanced double-wall insulation for faster heating, enhanced heat retention, and a cool-to-the-touch exterior. Equipped with 2 heat-resistant Bakelite handles for a comfortable, secure, and safe grip, preventing burns and providing easy handling while pouring. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Vegetable Chopper. This powerful chopper electric for kitchen has super fast processing capabilities. Easy to chop with sharp stainless steel blades from every 360-degree angle. The electric chopper can evenly chop multitude of ingredients, including chopped garlic, onions, potato, meat, ginger, carrots and nuts. The electric vegetable chopper designed with 4 bowls and 2 sharp blades. One large capacity 1500 megaliters glass bowl with 3 100 megaliters PP bowls for different chopping use. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Ghee Container. A perfect multi-purpose storage container. Can be used for oil, ghee, etc. Lightweight, durable, have easy open lids, easy to clean. Lightweight, durable, have easy open lids, easy to clean. It's easy to store in kitchen cupboards. Highly durable and made of fine quality stainless steel, crafted to give your kitchen and dining space a spark of elegance. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Rice Spoon. Made from high quality silicone and beech wood for durability and long lasting use. Effortlessly scoops rice and other foods without sticking. Comfortable beech wood handle for a secure grip. Vertical standing design for easy storage and hygienic use. Ideal for serving rice, sushi, mashed potatoes, and other dishes. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Toothbrush Case. This innovative travel cup serves as a dental cup, gargle cup, and storage container, making it a versatile companion for your oral hygiene needs. With its compact size and lightweight construction, this cup is perfect for travel, allowing you to maintain your dental routine on the go. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Metal Desk Hooks. Built to last, made from thickened high-strength alloy that easily supports heavy backpacks, handbags, laptop bags and more without bending or slipping. Clamp-on mechanism fits most desks and table edges. Installs in seconds with zero tools, zero holes and zero damage to furniture. Smooth screw mechanism allows precise width adjustment, ensuring a secure grip on office desks, study tables, workstations and counters, perfect for school bags, office bags and heavy backpacks. Soft silicone pads prevent damage to your tabletop while keeping the hook firmly in place, even when loaded with heavy items. Sleek anodized metallic surface matches modern interiors and office decor, adding a stylish touch to any workspace. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Glass beverage dispenser. Withstands extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius without cracking. Serve everything from warm lemon water to chilled iced tea with confidence. Built tough for daily use, safe, stylish, and mom approved. The silicone-sealed wooden lid keeps drinks fresh and protected from dust. Inbuilt thermometer displays temperature up to 50 degrees Celsius, no more guessing. Perfect for preparing safe warm drinks for kids or daily detox water. The leak-proof stainless steel faucet allows mess-free dispensing, while the air vent valve ensures smooth, glug-free flow. Just pull and press to activate easy pouring. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Sweeper. Manual push operation eliminates battery or power requirements for eco-friendly and cost-effective household cleaning. 3-side roller brushes deliver full-angle cleaning performance by targeting blind corners, edges, and under furniture areas effortlessly. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Organizer. Made of PET material, it's super smooth, durable and waterproof. Suitable for women and girls. Perfect for your travels, business trips and outdoor activities. The clear view makes it easy to see what. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Vegetables cutter. Made of food-grade plastic, these green Vidalia graters are built to last through heavy kitchen use with their sturdy construction. Featuring 4 different grating surfaces, coarse, medium, fine and slicing, shredding, these graters make quick work of any vegetable or cheese preparation. It can chop onions, carrots, peppers, apples, mushroom, zucchini, eggs and more. The rubber feet on the bottom and ergonomic handle ensure the grater sits firmly on counters and won't slip around while in use. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Toilet stool. Made from resilient polypropylene, ensuring longevity and easy maintenance while complementing modern aesthetics with its pristine white finish. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Organizers. The 3-layer open storage shelves provide sufficient storage space for your traveling clothes. At the bottom is a compartment with zipper, which can be used to place dirty clothes or shoes, which is very convenient. The hanging bag can hold the clothes, shoes, towels and your toiletries you need to keep your trip organized. It can be used not only in the house closet, but also in hotels, student dormitories, cars, stadiums or camping. Stainless steel metal double zippers for easy storage of your clothes. The buckle can tightly compact your clothes, which is most suitable for carrying. When not in use, the travel bag can be folded in flat shape, and does not occupy space. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Lint roller. Can easily removes lint, dust, pet hair and snack crumbs from clothes, furniture, sofas, car seat, sheets and carpets. Because of its special material and strong stickiness, lint remover ball can easily remove hair and snacks without damaging any clothes. Made of advanced TPE material with strong macromolecular adhesion. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Hangers. Are made of durable stainless steel and ABS plastic. They are strong enough even if your pants are oversized or heavy duty. The edge of jeans hanger is smooth, which protects your clothes from scratching and creases. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Strainer. Is BPA-free, has food-grade material and is eco-friendly. Made of durable stainless steel. It is lightweight without compromising on the quality of the stainless steel. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Rubbing stone. A versatile grinding, rubbing stone for sandalwood, chandan, turmeric, and other herbs and spices. Measuring 4 inches, approx. 10 centimeters in diameter, the small stone is convenient for travel and storage. Made from high-quality grey stone material for long-lasting use. Simply rub or grind desired herbs and spices on the stone's surface. Designed for traditional Indian grinding and rubbing needs. A thoughtful present for loved ones who appreciate tradition. Rubbing stones are tools used to prepare these substances for various purposes. Rubbing stones, on the other hand, are generally smaller, flat stones with a smooth surface that are used to rub the paste or powder onto the skin. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Water dispenser pump. Has an elegant and stylish design that looks great in any setting, making it an excellent choice for use in the office, home, shop, camping, or outdoor events. It is compact and lightweight, so you can take it with you anywhere you go and enjoy refreshing water. Perfectly adapts to both large water barrels and desktops, transforming ordinary tables into instant hydration stations. Product link is given in the 31st link.